Obviously, we know from experience, right? It is very difficult to draw graphs into our notebook, right? It just is a pain in our butt. So I'm going to do this a little bit different way, and then we'll do some on an actual graph, okay? So we are first going to look at some examples just using words. We're going to use examples with words, okay? I know it is not ideal, and like I said, we will get to those ones on graphs, but it's just too hard to put them in our notebooks and get it right and all. It just is a whole thing. So we'll just do a couple, and then we'll do some more. So if I'm talking about X moves left 15 units and Y moves up 24 units, we would start with X, comma, Y. Then that's our pre-image. Then we draw an arrow for our image, and we do X. If we're moving left, we're probably getting smaller. So that means minus 15. And then we would have Y. If we're moving up, that means that it's getting bigger. So plus 24. So when we are talking about symbolic representation, don't be freaked out and worried like, oh my gosh, I have to do so many things. This is all I'm looking for. This right here is all I'm looking for. All right? Okay. So for number 2, if we are doing X moves right 8 units and Y moves down 4 units. Okay, we start with X, comma, Y. Then we say, okay, X, if we're going right, we are adding 8. Oopsies, I didn't mean to put that there, my bad. And if we are moving down, we would be minus 4. Okay? So that's basically what we are looking at. That is basically what we are looking at here. Okay? Hopefully that is making some sense. We're going to do one more of those. And then we'll go on to our graphs. So this is going to be start at point 6, negative 3, and translate, right, translate 5 units left, and 6 units up. What is the new coordinate? What is the new coordinate? Okay, so we are starting at 6, comma, negative 3, right? We are taking 6, and if we're going left 5 units, think about it, is that plus or minus? That would be minus 5. Then we are starting at negative 3, and we are going 6 units up. So is that plus 6 or minus 6? That is plus 6. So then our final answer, right, because we want it to just be one number, 6 minus 5, well, that's easy. That's just 1. Negative 3 plus 6 is a little bit more difficult, but that is positive 3. So my final answer, my new coordinates here would be 1, 3, and 6, negative 3.